Alright guys, what's going on? We're out here today filming another YouTube video and we are going to be installing the Patrol DOCTA 4-inch snorkel and airbox kit. Let's get into it. So I'll just give you a look at the current setup. At the moment I just got this intercooler installed and that is all plumbed up into this GU airbox but not into this snorkel. So I decided to go against the GU airbox and yeah, just go the whole Patrol DOCTA kit and caboodle. And that means today we're going to be replacing the fuel filter and all this. Obviously going to have to get a new left panel for this thing.
1.2 metre.
Alright, so we got the bonnet removed. Now to remove the old airbox and then relocate all this crap in the back corner. Bailey's marking out the template so we can start cutting into my bonnet. There's no turning back after this.
Like a hot knife through butter.
While Bailey's cutting into my bonnet, Josh started removing the radiator overflow, the old airbox and the old snorkel.
Got that?
Yeah. Good. Get that bracket up ready. Hey, we've lined it up.
It's gonna go right back, eh?
Yeah, I'll have to take the flip.
Is the other one fucking flat to the floor?
No, not yet. I haven't full centered it.
Right, so not really too sure what's going on. Could have the fuel hoses on the fuel filter the wrong way, but yeah, she's not really driving the nicest right now, coughing and farting quite a bit, so we'll try to sort that out and then we'll get back to you. Alrighty, so I'm pretty sure it's all good. I think there's just a little bit of air in the fuel lines. Pumped that out, seems to be driving a lot better now, so yeah, we'll start getting into fitting the bonnet and seeing how good Bailey did this cutout. We test fitted the bonnet and decided just to cut to the template line instead of staying 10mm in from that line.
How big's the pinch weld? It should cover it.
Test fit number 2.
Not hitting the snorkel.
Test fit number 3. Test fit number 4.
I'm gonna chuck some more out.
Test fit number 5.
It's the gift that keeps on giving, your camera.
Test fit number 6, I think.
I'm not at all pissed off.
Right, test fit number 7. Hopefully this is the last one. Test fit number 8. 8, the lucky number. Alrighty guys, I thought I'd show you guys the final product of the Patrol DOCTA install. Not only the snorkel, just where I relocated things and how the engine bay looks now. So, get the vacuum canister there, just sort of bolted straight into a factory mount, which is pretty solid. Obviously the radiator overflow bolted up nicely to existing holes, and my fuel pump is back on the driver's side. I ended up just using an old awning L bracket, worked out pretty nicely, mounted back in the same spot, she's all plugged back in. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that there. It's just an L bracket straight down under that little thing. Pretty sure that's where it was anyway, but it just sat right where the pipe was. And yeah, she looks nice. I've got my intercooler thermo fan all wired up now, working great. Possibly could have given a little wind on that fuel screw too, but yeah, cab butching. All right, Patrol Doctor, 4-inch airbox and snorkel installed, all done, ready to go. Fuck yeah. Massive shout out to Bailey and Josh for coming around and helping me out.